Okay, so good morning, everyone. So we are now on the 7th week of the third quarter. So we have our new topic, which is probability. I believe probability is not new to you kasi nung way back, grade 8, if I am not mistaken, dapat nakakuha na kayo ng topic na probability, the basic probability. Meron po ba? Grade 8? Okay. So, balikan na lang natin ang mabilisan. Okay. So, when we talk about probability, it is the chance. It is the chance, pag-usapan natin ay chance that an event will happen. Okay. So, ito ay gaano ba kalaki ang pagkakataon o chance na lumabas ang isang certain event. Okay po. So we'll be starting with the basic probability. Again, when we talk about basic probability, it is the event over the totality. Okay? Sa lahat ng chance, lahat ng pwedeng maging outcome, ang baba natin, while yung specific na hinahanap natin na event ang nasa taas. So event over the total um, total outcome. So let's have an example for number 1. So a die is rolled once. Find the probability of getting a 5. Okay po, so katulad po ng die natin, how many faces do a die have? Ilan nga po ang faces ng die? Pasigot po ako. Ilan po ang faces ng die?
6 po.
6 po yun. Sa faces ng die ba, may magkatulad na number?
Wala.
Wala. So, ibig sabihin, every faces, kasi it is numbered from 1 to 6, there have equal chances na magkaroon or lumabas yung number na yon. Pwede lumabas si 1, si 2, si 3, si 4, si 5, si 6. So, the total outcomes na pwedeng lumabas there are 6 possible outcomes. Okay po, pwedeng lumabas si 1, si 2, si 3, si 4, si 5, at si 6. Okay po. So those are the possible outcomes. Ngayon, ano yung specific event na hinahanap natin? Ang unang-una nating specific event na hinahanap ay 5. So sa out of 6 event, ilan doon ang 5?
Isa po.
Isa. So ibig sabihin, the probability of getting 5 is just 1
1 over
outer
6.
out of 6. That's correct. That's 1 over 6. How about getting a 6? What is the probability of getting a 6?
1 out of 6. Ay, opo, 1 out of 6 din.
Still, it's 1 over 6 kasi out of 6, may isa lang naman tayong 6. Ngayon, the third one is, what is the probability of getting an odd number? So hahanapin mo ngayon, ano-ano ang mga specific na odd numbers natin. What are those odd numbers?
1, 3, and 5.
So we have 1, 3, that's correct, and 5. So ito yung event na hinahanap natin. Ilang event yan?
3 po.
Tatlo out of
6.
6. Or it can also be written as 1
1/2.
over 2. That is a basic probability. Clear po tayo? Okay. Ibig sabihin, napaka-basic. Wala pang out of 6, walang nauulit, o kaya pare-pareho ng tsansa. Then, hinahanap mo lang yung event na gusto mo. Okay? Let's move on to the next one. Let's have a number 2. A box contains 3 balls, red balls, 5 yellow balls, and 2 blue balls. If a ball is picked at random from the box, what is the probability that a ball picked, ibig sabihin isa lang yung binonot, is a yellow ball? The idea first is to identify ilan muna ang ating pong possible outcome. Ilan muna ang possible outcomes natin?
10 po.
Okay po, 10. Dahil meron tayong 3 na red, 5 yellow, at dalawang blue ball na nasa loob ng box. So lahat sila ay may chance ang mabunot. Walang walang kinikilingan. Lahat sila pwedeng mabunot. Ngayon, out of that 10, ang event na gusto nating mahanap ay yellow ball. Ilan ang yellow natin?
5 po.
5. So
Lima
ibig
po.
sabihin, that's 5 out of 10 or
1/2.
1/2. Hindi
One
po
half.
hindi po sasabihin 1/2 ha. Because this is probability. Okay po. It's 1/2. Okay? Hindi po siya fraction. It's a ratio. Ratio ang ginagawa natin. So that's 5 out of 10 or 1 out of 2 chances na pwedeng makuha natin ang yellow ball. Okay po? Hindi po natin sabihin 1/2 ha. It's 1/2 or 1 out of 2. Clear po? Okay. Let's have the red ball. Ilan po ang possible outcome?
10.
10 po.
10.
10 po.
Ilan po ang red?
3 po.
So what is the probability of getting a red ball?
3/10.
It's 3/10 or 3 out of 10 possibilities.
10.
Clear? Madali lang ang basic ha? Any questions so far about the basic?
None po.
Wala naman. Okay. Let's have another one. Yan. Ito naman yung mga kondisyon na maaring hindi lang isa yung hinahanap mo, pero pwedeng may mga options ka. Okay? There are options. Katulad kanina kasi basic lang yung mga binibigay. Yellow ball, red ball, 5, 6 or odd numbers. Those are, ibig sabihin, isang condition lang ang binibigay sa'yo. Pero let's have ang tinatawag nating 2 conditions at a time. We are looking for 2 conditions at a time. Example, they have 7 or 5 or 15. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang isa yung options mo. Hindi lang isang event ang hinahanap mo. There are possibility na dalawang event ang gusto mong makita. Okay? Maaring sabay o pareho mong hinahanap o isa at a time. Ngayon, in this case, a bowl contains 1 to 15. If a chip is drawn randomly, what is the probability that it is 7 or 15? Okay po. This condition, kapag dalawa na yung dalawang event na ang binigay sa'yo, the condition can be mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive. Please take note of those terms ha. Mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive. From the word exclusive, ibig sabihin sarili. Walang pwedeng pumasok. Kunyari, exclusive subdivision. Kung sino lang nakatira sa subdivision na yon, sila lang ang pwedeng pumasok. Walang outsider. Yun po ibig sabihin nun. Pero pag not mutually exclusive, ibig sabihin, pwede siyang may overlap. Ibig sabihin, may pwedeng pumasok na hindi naman taga doon. Ngayon, you have to identify whether yung isang event ay may kinalaman sa another event. Okay, please take note of that. Kailangang malaman whether an event na binigay sa iyo ay may kinalaman doon sa isang event pa na binigay sa iyo. Example, this 7 or 15. May kinalaman ba si 7 kay 15? Sa palagay nyo? Pareho ba sila? Isang number ba sila? May pagkakataon ba magkakapareho sila? Ang 7-15 ba ay parehong number? Hello?
Yes po.
Opo.
Parehong number. I mean, ang 7 ba ay 15?
Hindi
Ang
po.
15 ba ay 7?
Hindi po.
Hindi. So, ibig sabihin, iba si 7, iba si 15. Dahil iba si 7 kay 15, ang ibig sabihin noon, they are mutually exclusive. Iba si 7, iba si 15. So, ibig sabihin, ang event na 7 ay walang kinalaman kay event na 15. Clear po yon? Ang event na 7 ay walang kinalaman kay event na 15. So, those are different events. So, ibig sabihin, balikan muna natin. Ilan muna ang total ng outcome sa number 1? Ilan
15.
muna ang outcome natin? Those are 15. Meron tayong 15 outcomes. Kasi we have number chips na 1 to 15. Walang naulit, kaya 1 to 15. Okay? 1 to 15. So there are 15 na outcomes. Ngayon, ilan ang event ng 7?
Isa po.
Isa. Please take note, it's or ha. Mamaya ko papaliwanag yung or. Ibig sabihin at at o kaya. Pag tinagalog natin ang word na o kaya, ibig sabihin pinapayagan rin yung situation na yon. 7 o kaya 15. So, ilan ang event ng 7?
1 po.
Yan, isa. Dahil mutual exclusive sila at the same time, i-plus mo siya. Ilan ang event ng 15?
1 din po.
1. So, 1 plus 1. So, ibig sabihin, that's 2 out of 15. Ano yung dalawang event na yun? Yung sa 7 at sa 15. Kaya dalawang event ang dalawang event out of 15 ang pinag-uusapan mo. Okay po. Para mas maintindihan natin, ito, punta tayo sa number 7. Number 2. Ang sabi, 5 or a number divisible by 3. 5 or a number divisible by 3. Ilang event si 5?
1 po.
That's simply 1. Si 5 lang yon, di ba? Yun, si 5 lang yon. Ibig sabihin, isang event lang yan. So that's 1. Out of, ilan nga pong total natin?
15.
15. Ngayon, punta tayo sa second condition. A number divisible by 3. Ano yung mga
5.
number divisible by 3?
3,
3,
6,
9,
9,
12,
12,
15.
15. Those are the number divisible by 3. The question, ito bang 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 ay kapareho ni 5?
Hindi po.
Hindi. Hindi sila pareho. Ibig sabihin, yung 5 and number divisible by 3 are mutually exclusive. Exclusive pa rin sila. Wala silang kinalaman sa isa't isa. So all we have to do is to add their probabilities. So sabi natin, yung 5 is 1 out of 15, while ano naman ang probability ng number divisible by 3?
5 over 15.
That's 5 over 15. So that's 1 plus 5. So that is 6 out of 15, or simply
2 over 5.
2 over 5, or 2 out of 5. Okay. So that condition is 2 out of 5. Let's go with condition C. Let's have condition C. Ang sabi ng condition C, even or divisible by 3. Even or divisible by 3. So there are two events. There are two events na pinag-uusapan natin. Still it's over 15 kasi 15 lang naman yung chips. Ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin si even. Sino-sino si even?
2, 4,
4,
6,
6,
8, 10, 12,
12,
14.
14. Those are the events. So, ilang event ang even?
1, 2, 3, 7 po.
There are 7 events for even. So that is 7 out of 15. But let's talk about divisible by 3. Ano nga yung mga divisible by 3 natin? Divisible by 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12,
15.
15. Ilang event ang nasa divisible by 3?
5 po.
That's 5. So plus 5. Pero, as you may observe, may event na nasa even na nasa divisible by 2 din. Ibig sabihin, inulit. May pagkakapareho sila. Ano yung mga event na yun? Si 6
6 and 12.
and 12. Meron pa ba? Wala na.
Wala
Si
na.
6 at 12 ay nasa even na, at si 6 at 12 ay divisible by 3 rin. Ibig sabihin, there is an overlap between the two event. Hindi sila magkahiwalay. Sila ay magkapatong, magkasama, or may duktungan sila, may kapagkakapareho sila. So, ang event na yun ay tinatawag nating not or
Yes.
non-mutually exclusive. Hindi na sila exclusive. Ibig sabihin, meron na silang pagkakapareho. Dahil sa pagkakaparehong yon, binilang natin ang event ng even, which is 7, at binilang natin ang event ng visible by 3 na 5. So pinag-add natin, which is 7 plus 5 is 12. But yung 6 at 12 ay dalawang beses kinount. Kinount na siya sa even at kinount pa siya sa divisible 3. In that case, kailangan nating tanggalin yung isang bilang nila. Ibig sabihin, sino-sino nga ulit ang naulit?
6 and 12 po.
Si 6 at 12 po. So, dalawang event ang naulit. So, ima-minus to natin. Para isang beses lang, technically sila naulit. Ito yung sinasabi nating intersection. Si 6 at si 12, ang intersection ni 6, ni even at ni divisible by 3. If ilalagay natin sa word, si 6 at saka po sa 12 ay even and divisible by 3. Ibig sabihin, dalawang kondisyon ng sabay ang nangyayari kay 6 at saka kay 12. Hindi lang siya or, siya ay even and divisible by 3. In that case, kailangan natin siyang i-minus. So, mangyayari is 7 plus 5 minus 2 all over 15. So, that is 7 plus 5
12.
minus 2,
10.
10. 10 out of 15. Tama bang 10 out of 15 ang pinag-uusapan natin? Bilangan niya natin. 1 for 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tama no? 7. 8. Hindi na natin bibilangan si 6 kasi nabilang na natin. 9. Hindi na natin bibilangan si 12. 10. 15. So that is 10 out of 15 or 2
2 over 3.
3. Or 2 out of 3. This is non-mutually exclusive. NME. Nakuha po ang NME.
Yes po.
Okay po, not mutually exclusive. Let's have another one. A number divisible by 3 or divisible by 4. So alam natin ang divisible by 3, which is 3, 6,
9, 12.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Diba? So alam natin that is 5 out of
Over 15.
15. Ayun. Ano naman ang mga divisible by 4?
4, 8, 12.
4, 8, 12. So ito naman ang mga divisible by 4. Are they mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive?
Not mutually exclusive po.
Not mutually. Bakit po?
Kasi po, meron po sila parehas na 12.
Okay po. May parehas po sila na 12. So ibig sabihin, isusulat pa rin muna natin. That is 5 plus
3,
3 minus
1,
1. So that will be 5 plus 3, 8 minus 1,
7.
7 out of 15. So bilangan nga natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ito lang pinag-usapan. Clear?
Yes
Okay?
po.
Okay po. Okay po. Let's have another one. Daria puts 44 in a box. 44 marbles in a box again. There are 14 red, 12 blue, and 18 are yellow. If Dario picks one marble at random, what is the probability that he selects red marble or yellow marble? By reading the given, ito ba ay mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive?
Mutually
Mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive?
mutually
Ano ba yung
exclusive.
condition na hinahanap natin? Red marble at saka po yellow
Yellow
marble.
marble.
May kinalaban ba si red kay yellow? Si red ba ay yellow at si yellow ba ay red?
Hindi po.
Ibig sabihin, they are
Mutually exclusive.
mutually exclusive. Ibig sabihin, walang overlap. Si red ay red, si yellow ay yellow. Walang mangyayaring red ay yellow at yellow ay red. Okay? So they are mutually exclusive. So ang gagawin natin is just simply ilan lahat ng outcomes?
44 po.
There are 44 outcomes. Ilan ang event na red?
14.
That's 14. This is for red. At ilan ang event na yellow?
18.
That's 18 for yellow. So the probability for red or yellow is
30.
32
To do over
over
44.
44 or can be both divisible by 4, 8 out of
8 of
11.
11.
8 out of 11. Clear po?
Yes po.
Okay. Let's have another one. Out of 5,200 household surveyed, 2,107 had dogs, 807 had cats, and 300 had both dogs and cat. What are the probability that a randomly selected household has dog or cat? Unahin muna natin to. Ilan nga po ang total outcomes natin?
5,200.
Ano pa naman? 5,200. So alam mo na agad yan. 5,200 agad yan. Hindi mababago yan. Okay? Ngayon. Please take note ha, ito'y isang bunot lang. Isang bunot lang o isang pagpili lang. Nagkakataon lang na sa isang pagpili mo, maraming condition ang pwedeng mangyari. Okay? So ang sabi dito, out of 5,200 household survey, 2,107 had dogs. Ilan nga may aso?
2,107.
Ilan ang may pusa?
807.
Ilan ang may pusa at aso?
303.
303. Ngayon, yung 303 ba may dogs?
Meron po.
Po.
Pero may pusa sila.
Opo.
So ilan na may pusa?
807.
Ilan na may pusa? Ilan na may aso? Ulitin natin. Ilan na may aso?
2,107 po.
2,107 ang may aso. Tama po ba?
Opo.
Yung sa iba, isang boses lang narinig ko. Tama ba? 2,107 ang may aso?
Hindi. Kasi
Ilan pa may aso?
Sir, i-add po yung
2,000.
2,000?
410.
410 ang may aso. Sabi 2,107 had dogs. 807 had cats. And 303 had both a dog and a cat. So ilan ang may aso?
Sir, 2,410 po.
2,410. People, napakalinaw na ang sinabi na may 2,107 na dog ang may aso. So yun. Ano yung 303? Technically, that 303 ay part na ng 2,107. Nandun na rin siya sa loob na yon. Nagkataon lang yung 303 ay special, may pusa din sila. Hindi naman kasi sinabi, ibanagin ko ha, hindi sinabi na may 2,107 hot dogs only. Hindi sinabi na yung 2,107 ay dog lang ang inaalagaan. Ang sabi dyan, 2,107 ay may aso. So technically, si 303 ay parte ng 2,107. Kung ang nakalagay dyan ay 2,107 hot dogs only, ibig sabihin wala siyang lahat ng yung 2,107 ay aso lang yung inaalagaan. Pero ang sabi lang naman dyan ay 2,107 ang may aso. Nakuha po?
Opo.
So, ibig sabihin, kung ang tatanungin ko, how many hot dogs only? Ilan na may aso lang?
Sir, 2,107 po.
2,107 may aso. Ilan ang may aso lang?
1,804.
Correct. It's 1,804 ang may aso lang. Ilan ang may aso?
2,107.
2,107. Ilan ang may pusa?
807.
Ilan ang may pusa lang?
400 3
500.
4
504 ang may pusa lang. Ilan ang may pusa at aso?
303.
Gets po? Gets po?
Opo.
Okay,
Opo.
ulitin nga natin. Ilan ang may aso?
2,107.
Ilan ang pusa? Ilan ang may pusa?
807.
Ilan ang may pusa at aso?
303.
Ilan ang may pusa lang?
504.
504. How many had dogs only?
804 po.
804. 1,804. Nagkaintindihan tayo?
Opo.
Okay. Ngayon, ang tinatanong ngayon, ilan ang may aso o kaya pusa? Ilan ang may aso?
2,107.
2,107. Ilan ang may pusa?
807.
807. Ilan yung intersection?
303.
Yun. Ito kasi, 303, ay nandun na sa 2,107 at nandun na rin sa 807. Katulad ng kanina, yung even at saka po, even na siya, bagos ay divisible by 4 pa siya, divisible by 3 pa siya. Yung 6, yung 12, ay pareho na sa condition na yun. So, ibig sabihin, Yung 6 at 12, ang tinatawag nating intersection na kailangan mo lang i-minus. Dito, nakalahad na eh. So, kailangan mo lang siyang i-minus. So, that's 2,107 plus 807 minus 303. So, anong probability ng dog or cat? $2,107 plus 807 minus
2,000.
303. 2,107 plus 807 minus 303. Ang sagot?
2,611.
2107 plus 803. 807 minus 303 is 2,611 over 5,200.
5,200.
Kung may lowest term pa yan, nasa inyo na po yan. Okay. 5,200. Nakuha po yung idea ng overlap.
Opo.
Ayan. Please, pag wala nakalagay na only, ibig sabihin, it's a general term. Okay? It's a general. Ibig sabihin, isang malaki. Okay? Parang, pag sinabi natin babae, ilan ang grade 10 na babae? So, hindi mo i-classify siya as bibilangin mo lang ay Rizal. Ang bibilangin mo ay Rizal, Mabini, at saka po Rizal, Mabini at Bonifacio. Pero pag sinabi, ilan ang babaeng Rizal? So, babaeng Rizal lang bibilangin mo. Gets po?
Opo.
Okay po. It's a general term kasi. Let's clear this up. Let's have another one. Yan, in a restaurant. In a restaurant, restaurant services a bowl of candies serves a bowl of candies to their customer. The bowl of candies Gabriel received has 10 chocolate candies, 8 coffee candies, and 12 caramel candies. After Gabriel chooses a candy, he eats it. Find the probability that the candy with the indicated flavors. May indicated flavor. Ito po yung sign ng probability ha. Pag may p-bounds open parenthesis, probability ang hinahanap niyan. So unahin muna natin yung number 1. Letter A. Ang sabi, the probability of chocolate or coffee. So unahin muna natin, ilan po ba ang possible outcome?
30 po.
30 or
30
30 outcomes. Okay? It's 10 plus 8 plus 12. That's 30. Ngayon, ang tanong po ba dyan, may tatlong condition dyan, which is yung chocolate, yung coffee, at yung caramel. So, may overlapping po ba doon? Technically, doon pa lang sa idea. Yung chocolate, yung coffee, at yung caramel. May overlapping? Wala.
Wala
Tingnan
po.
natin ano. Ang chocolate hindi magiging coffee, yung chocolate hindi magiging caramel, si coffee hindi magiging caramel. At si caramel ay kung ano man. So walang overlapping. So tingnan muna natin. Chocolate or coffee, are they mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive?
Mutually exclusive po.
Mutually exclusive. So ibig sabihin addition lang to. So chocolate, ilan po si chocolate?
10 po.
10. At ilan po si coffee?
8.
8. So that's 10 plus 8 is 18
18
out
over
of
30.
30 or
6
both
over...
divisible by
3
6.
over 6.
3
3 over
over
5.
5. So 3 out of 5. Okay, punta tayo sa letter B. So alam natin na this is mutually, that is 30. Sabi, caramel or not coffee? So, si Caramel, ilan po si Caramel? Caramel. Caramel na eh.
12 po.
So, that is 12.
12.
Yan. Clear tayo kay Caramel. Ngayon, ang sabing isang kondisyon, caramel or not coffee. Ito yung ginagawa ng mga nagpapabili sa kantin. Bili mo ako ng Tommy. Basta kung walang Tommy, kahit ano, basta wag ganito.
Mm.
Yan. So, caramel. Pero pag walang caramel, kahit ano, basta wag coffee. Yung ibig sabihin nun, caramel or not coffee. Pag pinag-uusapan natin yung not coffee, sino pinag-uusapan natin?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate and caramel po.
Si chocolate at si caramel. So mamimili ka na. Kay chocolate, labas na tayo kay caramel eh. Natapos na yung unang kondisyon. Nandun tayo sa not coffee. Out of the given ulit, alin dun si not coffee? Si not coffee doon ay si chocolate at si caramel. Okay po? So ibig sabihin, ilang kondisyon yon? Ilang event yon?
22 po.
22.
22. Pero, is that mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive?
Not mutually
Not
po.
Not
mutually po.
mutually kasi naulit natin si caramel. Ilang event si caramel?
Isa po. Ay, 12.
There are 12 events. So, ima-minus ulit natin yan. So, that is 12 plus 22 minus 12 is
22.
22
22.
over 30. Or 11 out of 50. Oh, let's have another one. Coffee or caramel? So 30 ulit to. Ilan si coffee?
8.
8. Ilan si caramel?
12.
12.
Mutually exclusive or not mutually?
Mutually.
Mutually. Walang kinalaman si coffee kay caramel. So i-add lang natin, that is 20 out of 30 or 2 out of 3. Okay. Let's have this one. Letter D. Out of 30. Chocolate. Ilan si chocolate?
10.
10.
10. Plus. Not caramel. So, sino pinag-uusapan natin sa not caramel?
Coffee.
Chocolate
Ang
and
chocolate.
coffees.
O, ilan yun?
18.
18.
18. Pero may nag-overlap ba?
Meron po.
Sino umoverlap?
Si coffee po.
Si?
Chocolate po.
Chocolate. Ilan si chocolate?
10.
10.
10. So, that's 10 plus 18 minus 10 is equals to 18 out of 30
30.
or
3 over 5.
3 over 5. Clear?
Opo.
Last one. Let's have the last one. Yan. Last one na ba to? Check ko muna. Hindi pa pala. Next. Rian likes to wear colored shirts. She has 15 in the closet. 5 of these are blue, 4 are different shades of red, and the rest are different colors. What is the probability that he will wear a blue or a red shirt? Is this mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive?
Mutually po.
May kanalaban ba si red kay blue? Wala po. Ilan ang total condition?
15.
15. Ilan ang condition ni red? Ni blue?
5.
5.
5. Ilan daw si red?
4.
So that's 5 plus 4. Mutually exclusive, not mutually?
Mutually.
So walang ima-minus. So 5 plus 4,
9.
9 out of
15.
15 or
3 over
5.
3 over
5.
5. Mas simple as that. Tignan natin. Let's have the next one. Mario has 45 red chips, 12 blue chips, and 24 white chips. What is the probability that random select red chips or white chips? Mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive? Ang red kay white.
Mutually.
Mutually exclusive. Walang kalalaman si red kay white. Pero ilan ang total probability?
45 plus 12, 50 as 57.
81 po.
81 po.
That's 81. Ilan ang event na red?
45.
45.
45. Ilan ang event na white?
24.
24. May ima-minus tayo? Wala.
Wala po.
Wala. Kasi mutually exclusive to. So that's 45 plus 24. 69
69.
out of
9.
81. Kung ilo-lowest term natin yan, I think divisible sila by 3.
3.
So that's 23 over, anong 81?
27.
27.
Okay po. That's
27.
23 over 27. Okay, clear. Last one. Of 240 students, 176 are on the honor roll. 48 are member of varsity team. And 36 are in the honor roll and are also member of the varsity team. What is the probability that a randomly selected student is on honor roll or is a member of a varsity team? Yan po ulit tayo. Ilan nga po yung total?
240.
240. Ilan po nasa varsity team?
48.
48. Ilan ang nasa honor roll?
176.
176. Ilan na nasa honor roll at saka member ng varsity team at the same time?
36.
36. Ilan po ang nasa honor roll lang? Only in honor roll.
140, sir.
That's
140.
140. Tama na. Ilan naman ang member of varsity team lang?
12.
That's 12.
12.
Okay po. Ngayon, so ang tinatanong natin ay member of varsity team or member of or an honor student. Is that mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive?
Not mutually.
Not mutually. Kasi may overlap. No po? So, alam na agad natin, ano yung overlap? Ilan yung overlap?
36 po.
36.
36,
So,
sir.
unahin muna natin. Ilan yung honor roll?
176.
76. Plus, ilan ang varsity?
48.
48. Ano sunod na gagawin?
Minus.
Minus
36.
36. Yeah, very good. So the final answer is
188.
176 plus 48 minus 36 is 188. Sorry,
Over.
188 over 240. Pwede pa nating pababain. I think this is divisible by 4.
6.
Diba? 188 divided by 4. Feeling ko pwede. 47. 47. At ang 240 divisible by 4, that is 60.
60.
So our final answer is 47 out of 60. I'll be accepting naman 188 over 240. Okay na po yun. Pero mas maganda lang natin na ibinababa natin para mas kita natin yung kanyang lowest term. Nakuha na po ang mutually exclusive at not mutually exclusive.
Yes po.
And tsaka po yung basic. Siyempre yung basic, alam natin yon na isang bunot lang, na isang condition lang. Pag isang condition lang, kung ano lang condition na nahanap, yun lang po ang inasulat natin. Pero pag two condition at a time ang kailangan ang bigay, kailangan mong alamin whether it's mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive. Again, mutually exclusive, walang kinalaman ng event A kay event B. Pero pag not mutually exclusive, ibig sabihin, there are certain area in event A na nasa event B din at the same time. At kailangan natin silang i-minus. Clear po tayo doon? Any questions so
Opo.
far?
None po.
Wala po. Clear po tayo. So that ends our topic for the day. That is the basic probability at saka po mutually exclusive and not mutually exclusive. Okay? So I'll be sending your SITworks on your GC. Thank you for attending. Any questions so far? May gusto kayong itanong?
Wala po, sir.
Wala na po, sir.
Wala naman po. Okay po, so you don't have to copy. Sagot lang ipapasa po. Kayang-kaya nyo, that's only 1 to 10. Okay? Ang kailangan ko lang po ay computation in terms of, hindi ko po ilalagay, hindi ko po checkan yung sagot lang as in sagot lang. Kailangan ko makita yung computation. Kung may plus lang siya, or plus na may minus. Gets po? Yung sinusulat ko po.
Okay po, sir.
Okay po. Okay. So, thank you very much.
Thank you po, sir.
Bye.
Thank you po.
Bye. Bye-bye.